Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan ranch dressing, easy method. Whisk 1 cup plant milk with 1 cup vegan mayo, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 tsp apple cider vinegar until smooth. Add 2 cloves minced garlic, 2 tablespoon chopped dill, 1 tablespoon chopped chives, 1 tsp onion powder, salt, and pepper to taste. Chill for 15 minutes to meld flavors before serving with veggies or salads. Gather simple ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened plant milk, 1 cup vegan mayo, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoon fresh dill, 1 tablespoon chives, 1 tsp onion powder, salt and pepper. Measure and prep herbs finely so they distribute evenly. Use a whisk or blender for a silky texture. Taste and adjust acidity with lemon or vinegar, and season until the balance. Start by combining plant milk and vegan mayo in a bowl or blender for a smooth base. Add lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, garlic, dill, chives, and onion powder, then whisk or blend until uniform. Taste and adjust salt, lemon, or herbs to suit your preference. Transfer to a container and refrigerate for at least 15 minutes so the flavors meld and the dressing thickens slightly before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.